Welcome to this 3-bedroom house for sale in Southport, Port Shepstone, KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa for R750,000. Sold mandate. Calling all artists, this is a home with a difference and loads of character. With enough space and quiet to get all the creative juices flowing. Or maybe if you just like being different, then this is the home for you. 2 bachelor flats to help with extra family or additional income generators. Main house consists of 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, lounge, kitchen, breakfast area and built-in braai. 1 ST flat, open plan bedroom and lounge, kitchen and bathroom. 2 ND flat, open plan bedroom, lounge, kitchen and bathroom. Change your lifestyle to be more relaxed. Contact me to start the change. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.